scoot ahead there, I'll follow you.
Sure. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Me and my buddy Dan here on a little road trip. We're headed from Snow Lake to the pod, go grab some lunch. As you know, I need to get practice in a couple of years. I plan on taking my bike across South America. And on that note, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you too can follow along as I am making my way along the Pan American route over the next couple of years. So sit back and enjoy the scenery as I make my first attempt at a motorcycle vlog style video.
.65 liters.
9.8. What'd you burn?
I put in 1887. Couple bucks more than you.
Yeah. Not bad.
I was averaging about 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers.
Yeah. I'm 5'8". Still breaking in. It should come a little better once she breaks in.
Oh, yeah.